Imagine a region nestled in the Himalayas, known for its breathtaking landscape and rich cultural heritage. This is Ladakh, a place that's facing a critical moment in its history. Recently, a prominent Ladakhi Buddhist leader, Shrine Dorje Lakhruk, shared his thoughts on Article 370, which was abolished in 2019. At first, the people of Ladakh resented this article, but now they realize it protected their lands. It protected their culture, livelihoods from outsiders. Sadly, the situation in Ladakh has taken a turn of the worse. A curfew and severe restrictions have been in place for 6 consecutive days in the Leh and Kargil districts. This comes after Indian forces fired and armed protesters, resulting in the loss of 4 lives and nearly 100 injuries. The region is reeling from the aftermath, with arrests and internet blackouts adding to the chaos. It's clear that the abolition of Article 370 has had far-reaching consequences for the people of Ladakh. Their unique cultural identity and way of life are under threat. The recent arrest of Sonam Wangchuk, a renowned innovator and environmentalist from Ladakh, is a stark reminder of the Indian government's attempt to silence voice of dissent. Wangchuk's only crime was advocating for constitutional safeguards against ecological destruction and political marginalization in Ladakh. His arrest under the National Security Act is a clear example of the government's pattern of treating voices of truth as threats. As the situation continues to unfold, it's essential to keep the spotlight on Ladakh, support its people in their struggle for justice and self-determination. The youth of Ladakh must realize that their future is at stake, and the Delhi's exploitation of their resources and marginalization of their voices will only continue unless they stand up for their rights. Speaking truth to power can be challenging, but it's very crucial to create positive change. Let's stand in solidarity with the people of Ladakh, support their quest for justice and self-determination.